today we got to talk about Pump.Fun. I think this is a project that everybody probably knows about, but let's talk about what's going on the inside of Pump.Fun with the price action. Anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice. Let's jump straight into it. And so, first, for the people that don't know what Pump.Fun is, it is a launch pad on Solana. It's the largest launch pad on Solana, and this is where most of the meme coins on Solana are coming from. They're coming directly from this. And some of the largest projects that we know of today were created on Pump.Fun. So, yeah, this is something that you're probably going to want to pay attention to. And this coin, Fart Coin, right? It has a $755 million market cap, and it was created on Pump.Fun. Like, when you put the market cap of all the projects created on Pump.Fun together, they don't equal the market cap of Pump.Fun itself. They actually exceed the market cap of Pump.Fun. So that kind of shows you the potential of this project and the potential of projects built on it. I've made a video for Troll. Troll coin has 150.8 million in market cap. You can see like all these coins have a lot of market cap. This coin here, Moodang, I think that coin actually got listed to Robinhood. Yes, this random coin, Moodang, got listed to Robinhood. 130 million inside of market cap. So Pump.Fun, I believe it'll probably get listed to all the exchanges. I believe it's already on Coinbase. Yes, it's on Binance and all that. I don't think it's on Robinhood yet, but it will probably end up being listed there. So you probably want to watch out for that. So yeah, this is going to be a very, very, very large project. And that's what I'm saying. Pump.Fun is a 100x gem, literally. So they have 100x gems all on their website, and they themselves are a 100x gem as well. Pump.Fun was released and launched on July 19th, I believe, or on July 12th. I'm sorry. They were launched on July 12th. So first they had the launch pad going crazy, and then they decided to launch the coin afterwards. And then all the hype from the other coins came to Pump.Fun, and now Pump.Fun is what we see it today at $1.3 billion in market cap, 3.7 billion fully diluted value, 2.96 million in 24-hour trading volume, and up 11.2% in the last 24 hours, 39% in the last 7 days, 29% in the last 14 days, and 29% in the last 30 days. So Pump.Fun has been doing crazy numbers, 71,140 holders. In the last 2 weeks, Pump.Fun has gotten over 2,000 holders. So this project, I'm telling you, this is a 100x gem. So do not sleep on Pump.Fun. I think this is going to be one of those projects that exceeds what most people think is not obtainable. Like a 10 billion market cap is definitely obtainable for something like this. 10 billion plus, honestly. I could see this thing even sitting at like 50 billion market cap just because of like the nature of it. Like when meme coin season kicks in, because first, altcoin season starts, and then during altcoin season, a subsector of it called meme coin season will start, and then the meme coins will start pumping after the altcoins have done crazy, insane numbers. So that's pretty much how it works with that, with the altcoin season and going into meme coin season. Now, as for the prices here in Pump.Fun, we are waiting for this next resistance at 0.004. We got rejected at that level before, right back here. So we'll see if we get rejected by it again. Now, there is a bunch of economic data coming out for the US. The most important one being the unemployment rate on the 5th. And you can see we have the PMI, job openings, and all that coming out. So that might influence the markets a little bit. But what I'll say is this project is not really following Bitcoin. Bitcoin's literally dragging everything down in the market. Bitcoin is on a short recovery right now, but it might continue to pull back a little bit more. So there's a possibility that you'll see something like Pump.Fun pulling back as well. So you definitely watch out for that. You might be able to get Pump.Fun at a big discount because right now it is fairly expensive to purchase this right now. And if you look at the max time frame here at the pricing for the max time frame, you can see that we're actually kind of cheap. You know, they had a fair launch, and as you can see up here, it launched close to about 1.9 billion, about 2 billion market cap. It's went down a little bit since then. And to be completely honest, if it goes down more, it'd probably be best for people to wait a little bit. So let's talk about that now. This is the 4-hour chart. We can't look at the daily chart because there's not enough info. The project's too new for that. The percent R trend exhaustion is on that uptrend right here. It's going up usually when both the long term and the short term. Let's pull that back up. All right. So like I was saying, usually with the long term and the short term trends, usually if they're going up at the same time, you're going to see a nice big pump. The blue line here is the long-term trend. The white line is the short-term trend. So both of those trends are, up. So we're going to see a more larger increase in the price up to 0.004. So we should be seeing that pretty soon. And if we break past 0.004, we're about to head all the way up here to 0.0045. So that's what we're watching out for here inside of Pump.Fun. The move from here to 0.0045 is going to be about 18%, just a little bit under 20%. So we should end up seeing that soon. The MACD for Pump.Fun is looking a little bit bullish. We see a little green candlestick kind of getting formed here at the bottom. So possibility that it could keep coming up. But the percent R trend exhaustion, you can see the trend being exhausted probably soon and pulling back. So there's a possibility that if we hit 0.004 and get rejected, there's going to be an even larger pullback all the way back down here to 0.0025. So that is a level that people are going to want to watch here for Pump.Fun. So I'll go ahead and mark that for you guys right there. So that is one thing that you got to watch out for. And coming down to a shorter time frame, at the 30-minute time frame, it is over exhausted. So look at how overbought it is on the 30-minute time frame. So with the percent R trend exhaustion, when you see these red bars at the top, that's indicating that you are now overbought and that it's about to pull back and sell off. This is probably going to end up hitting 0.004. And if it cannot break past that, then it will get rejected because it is overbought. So if it doesn't break past 0.004, we're going to see that rejection because all the overbuying. You can see that signal was thrown up down here, a buy signal, and then it went up from there. So anyways, the MACD also on this is pretty bullish, but it does look overbought. It looks way overbought on the MACD, but it still is bullish. So it will continue to go up a little bit more, possibly to 0.004, but let's see if it gets rejected. So that's the main thing that we got to watch out for, is that rejection at that resistance. Anyways, this is all I got for you all today. Go ahead, hit the like button and subscribe, all that good stuff. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want me to go over next. As always, I'll be back with another video.